And we're off and racing. There's Adrian in the lead, closely followed by Rebecca Wild. But here comes the He's Man. Hi, Beck.
Hi.
We're off. Ah, the Serenity. Woo woo! Sees Adrian, approaching Adrian. Passes the camera to Adrian. Hold it, that's it. Oh, go! Nice one, right? Oh. How do I stop it? Ah. About what? 100 metres into it, pretty fucked. Stuffed already. That won't make it to YouTube now. Woo! Yep. Just shooting Apollo Bay. There's Adrian. Any special message for your mum? Oh, there's a basket. Oh, he's gone to the basket. It's water time. Hey, hold it up, Beck. Yep. The wolves are out to attack us. How do I stop this? Stop. Woo!